have to think about that. Do I want a variable for the weapon here and then extend it to update on its own so that way it doesn't have its own update cycle? Or should I? Yeah, because if it doesn't have its update cycle for buttons and everything else, and it's being told from the weapon manager, then that means the only time it's going to get start and update methods by itself is from the instantiation of it. Um, Actually, let's do a test. Let's do a test. Okay, let's do a test. We need a test. Okay. All right. This doesn't need that. This, this, this. Base behavior script. What's that? I don't know. It looks small and insignificant, so let's do something. Oh, that's a start. That's an update. Oh, I remember this script. This thing. About useless for everything. For me, anyway. Public void on no. Let's go into that because I'm looking for one specific method for mono behavior. Okay, mono behavior. We've got on animator, wake, fixed, update, on disable. It's spelled exactly that way. Okay, let's just copy this real quick and paste it in here. Doesn't matter if it's public or not. Do our closing bracers. I need to know if the game object is disabled. Debug.log. This was called which is bad for us. Make sure it's extra noisy. Control. Ah, come on, just save. What's your problem? Oh, okay. Yeah. Probably something dumb. Okay, so we've got this. We've got this on the script, and this is the base. We need this to stay disabled. No, we need this enabled and this disabled. And let's see on disabled if this actually runs when the game is actually done up. Console. Oh, it'll automatically go to the game anyway. Did it? Nope, nothing happened. That's good. That's good for us. Now what happens if this game object is on and this is disabled? Will it still do it? Okay, that's good for and this is the only time. Okay, that's good. That's what I wanted. All right, so it's on disable. It's on destroyed is when it gets called on that one. So let's see here. On destroy. How can we use this to do what I want it to? Let's see. We've got a class that we want to instantiate. And this has a start, an update, firing, burst, gun, blah, blah, blah. We don't have any kick things like that, so I could instantiate a class into this and would be perfectly fine with it. So we'll need a method to put the weapon object info in here. And that's how I can instantiate it, but what about, it would probably have to be an invoke method. Because if this isn't in here and we do it from a normal void, I don't think this actually works. So let's go into our other script. Weapon setup would be a good one. Probably. No, we won't be able to access that script because it's in a different thing. Okay, well that's okay. We'll do it with the script that we have already. What is our script that we have already? Oh, okay. We'll do it with the FPS weapon thing. That's fine. What was we gonna do? Take our weapon setup, punch in a variable for public or mouse player, and then in the start method, we need to make a variable. This has to be public because it's accessed from someplace else. Void. We'll punch in a string or vice versa. And it will be a debug dot log. We are going to punch in whatever string this puts in here, which is string G. Yeah, no, everything G. Sweet. I love it. Get to use these generic things. Okay. Why? Oh, G's already used probably in this. No, it's not. Why is it giving me a problem with that? And an overload. That's why. Really? This is the beginning. And that's the end. It's just another method. Why do you... This thing is so weird. When it comes to the braces, it's really touchy. Oh yeah, I didn't name the function. Gee. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's sad. Okay, now we have access to that, so we'll go player dot test dot what? I'm pretty sure this test. Okay, this test. Duh. This dot. Yeah, don't ever put this in a method. It doesn't like it. So why is it not? Oh yeah, string. Gotta put a string in here. This worked for prototyping into another class without AS. Well, I still need it to ascend and deascend. Wow. Yeah, we definitely need to fix those. Oh, yeah, I want to get a big old error. Null reference, duh. Okay. Okay, it worked. Alright, so for the setup the player for the weapons, I could easily push a class to it. Well, I don't want to push too hard when it comes to some things because instantiating takes a good portion of your performance to instantiate a bunch of objects. And so, what can I do? What could I do here? I don't know. Getting kind of hungry again. Eh. I don't know. I'll have to think. Well, if we do a prefab of the weapon, we'll still have to get component and then push the data to it. So in our setup class, we would have to take this after loading and call a coroutine or have it in the update function to do it. Well, yeah, that is true.